1950年代に作られた冷蔵庫を大掃除することにしたこの男性。中がこんなことになってるなんて。
This is my 1950s General Electric refrigerator with the Lazy Susan drawers. In fact, it's working a little too well. The freezer's froze up. I've never defrosted it ever since it's been running. This right here was starting to get frozen. When I got the fridge, it came with this manual here. One of the first pages, how to remove frost. I got instructions that told me to just put some hot water and it will start to melt it. Oh, this went pretty smoothly, actually. Ice cube trays. Oh, yeah. Look at all the room in there now.